submarine. It needs to be bigger.
That's the turn. Why are there not tripods out here?
Because it's too deep. They don't want their ropes that long. Yeah, me too.
You have one on?
No,
No.
I can't move.
Well, brother does. That's a good thing.
Yes, he needs one. It's good. I need one really, but
Why do you put yours on? Do you not
I
bring yours?
can't move with it on, especially with you in the boat.
Well, you have a helmet on and you're heavy, so.
That looks fun. Is that fun?
Yeah. It's fun. It's like I'm like walking on the water, like I'm sitting and I'm gliding on the water.
Right.
Weird. I'm pretending the board's invisible and it's just me gliding on the water.
All right, we're gonna turn around again.
Alright.
Try
I'm
to.
up for it.
You are silly. I thought tacks were easy before. Not anymore.
Don't fall as much.
All right, we're gonna try to get back where brother is. Whoa! Turn this boat. Jeez. Just keep your balance. You're good. Hallelujah. All right, here we go.
Yeah, we're good.
Here we go. We're getting it. We're gonna go right where brother is.
Okay.
Well, maybe not.
This is fun.
I'm glad. It's actually fun.
Oh, he fell again.
He'll get the hang of it.
Where is he, number one?
He's in the water.
I know, but I mean,
He's probably swimming. He's getting ready to get back on.
This must be hard.
Guess what I saw earlier?
What?
A dolphin.
I know, I already heard you say it.
Oh, did you see him?
No,
Oh,
I was looking forward.
oh.
Because I was trying to beat the boat, the thing. I did see like a tail or something
Oh, okay.
from the corner of my eye, but
Yeah, they usually sneak up on you because you don't even know they're there.
they're under the water.
Right.
I want to go again.
All right, we're gonna turn around.
Okay.
Try to.
I'm gonna hold on to the
Wind's picking up. Urgh. Woo, hallelujah. You good? Hold on, hold on, hold on.
I
here. What in the world? Maybe it'll stop. Alright, I think it's easing up. That's that fall of a crab pot. Okay.
Bye, big toe. Whenever.
Alright, you ready? Okay. What? Okay. Really?
I play with her again.
Oh, okay.
And she might be surprised.
I might be surprised. Little beam reach. This is when it's fun.
Yeah,
I gotta turn though. Alright, get ready to turn. We'll slow down. Oops. I think I'm getting used to you being on there.
Well, I balance there. Same thing, but I'm using my knees.
You're using your knees. That's good. All right. All right, here we go.
Kind of like ballet, but you're doing knees.
Well,
ballet.
you get this boat to turn. And a wake. No wake zone. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, we're good. Oh, hang on. Hallelujah. Girl. Jeez. All right. Really? Brother needs to get away from the bridge.
Where's brother?
He's at the bridge. He needs to turn around.
He is turning around.
Good. Ooh, got some wind. Hold on. Yeah, so it doesn't unravel.
That's why it feels plasticky.
Dude, you just did a job, and that's pretty freaking awesome. No, that was good.
I feel like skateboards are curved in here.
It is.
That's how it's making it harder.
No, it's actually easier to sail.
Why?
Just hold on.
Well, I'm scared as well.
Hmm?
That I am scared. That person's on a jet ski.
I know.
And there's another person that's on a jet ski.
Hold on. Hold on.
I'm almost a fall down. I'm almost a fall down.
Hold on.
We got that.
What?
In the water and let you take it across the water.
No. You getting ready to get off. You submarining again? All right, watch out. Stay on the board.
Now, jump in. No, jump in.
You gotta be careful. There might be something under your feet.
Okay.
Let me help you.